Today, we're diving into the top 5 drones under $1,000 that'll take your 2024 to new heights. Drones aren't just cool toys. They're flying cameras, adventurers, and epic content creators. But with so many choices, finding the perfect one can be a challenge. Don't worry, I've done the legwork and picked the best in different categories, so you can find your ideal flying pal. Let's take flight. The DJI Air 2S is a compact, foldable drone designed for aerial photographers and videographers. This drone features an impressive 1-inch 20-megapixel camera sensor, capable of capturing high-quality 20-megapixel stills and 4K video. Powered by DJI's robust flight technology, the Air 2S offers a max transmission range of 12 kilometers and 31 minutes of flight time. Some of the standout pros of this drone are its excellent camera performance with a large sensor and high megapixel count, versatile shooting modes like hyperlapse and HDR video, and automated flight modes like master shots. The Air 2S also boasts DJI's robust obstacle avoidance system using multiple vision sensors. However, the Air 2S does come with some downsides to consider. It lacks the 8K resolution and 48-megapixel camera available on the more premium Otel Evo 2. The 31-minute battery life is also shorter than some competitors. While packed with features, the $999 price tag stretches the budget for more casual users. But for aerial photographers seeking professional camera results without the size of DJI's Mavic series, the Air 2S is a compact powerhouse. The DJI Mavic Mini 2 is one of DJI's smallest and lightest consumer drones, weighing less than 249 grams. This ultra-portable drone boasts an impressive 4K camera capable of capturing clear and stable video footage thanks to its 3-axis mechanical gimbal. Some of the pros of the Mavic Mini 2 are its long 31-minute battery life, extended 10-kilometer HD video transmission range, and intuitive app control through DJI's proprietary technology. The drone folds down to a compact size comparable to a smartphone, making it highly convenient to take anywhere. However, there are some downsides to consider. The lack of obstacle avoidance sensors means you have to pilot the drone carefully to avoid crashes. Low-light performance is also mediocre according to some users. Additionally, while cheaper than most DJI drones, the $449 price tag is still relatively high for consumers just getting started in aerial photography. Nonetheless, the Mavic Mini 2 represents an excellent blend of portability and performance that makes it a top choice for travel and outdoor adventure. The Otel Evo Nano is Autel Robotics' latest compact and foldable drone that packs impressive specs into a tiny package. It weighs less than 250 grams, meaning it avoids drone registration requirements in many countries. The Evo Nano is capable of shooting 4K video and 48-megapixel photos using a 1x2 CMO sensor and 3-axis gimbal stabilization. It also features obstacle avoidance sensors and has a maximum flight time of 40 minutes. Overall, the Otel Evo Nano is an impressive technological marvel, packing robust specs and flight performance into an ultra-compact drone body. It's ideal for travelers, adventurers, and pilots wanting portability without sacrificing image quality and flight time. The Parrot Ana isn't just a foldable 4K drone, it's your pocket-sized passport to breathtaking aerials. Imagine capturing unique perspectives with its 180-degree tilt gimbal camera, effortlessly looking up, down, and all around as you soar. This featherweight champion, clocking in at just 320 grams, is the ultimate travel companion, easily tucked away in your backpack for spontaneous shots on any adventure. But the Parrot Ana isn't just compact, it's powerful. Captures stunning 4K videos and 21-megapixel photos that explode with detail, thanks to its high-quality sensor and 2.8x lossless digital zoom. And with up to 25 minutes of flight time, you have ample room to explore and unleash your creativity. Forget fiddling with complex controls. The intuitive FreeFlight 6 app puts everything at your fingertips, letting you focus on framing the perfect shot. Plus, 4 pre-programmed cinematic shots are ready to impress with a single tap, making you a drone maestro in no time. So grab your Parrot Ana feet, ditch the bulky gear, and embrace the sky. This ultra-compact wonder is your ticket to a world of limitless possibilities, ready to elevate your adventures to new heights. Forget the beach towel, pack the Swell Pro SPRY Plus. This compact drone isn't just waterproof, it's practically an aquatic superhero. Dive into a whole new world of aerial storytelling with its unique water landing takeoff capability. Imagine the thrill of launching from a shimmering lake, capturing surfers carving turquoise waves from above, or documenting your epic fishing trip from a fisheye view. The SPRY Plus laughs in the face of splashes and light rain, opening up fresh shooting environments that landlocked drones can only dream of. But this splashy wonder isn't just about fun, it's about capturing stunning memories. High-quality 4K aerial shots are yours for the taking, letting you relive every splash, every thrill, every sunset dance between sky and water. And while Mother Nature might get a little windy sometimes, the SPRY Plus holds its own, streamlined for a smooth flight even when the breeze picks up. And because adventure doesn't always have an itinerary, the SPRY Plus is built for spontaneity. Foldable for easy transport and storage, it tucks neatly into your backpack, ready to join you on every wet and wild escapade. With a decent 25-minute flight time, you'll have ample time to explore, conquer, and capture the epic beauty of the aquatic world from a skyward throne. So, ditch the limitations, embrace the splash, and take your aerial adventures to the next level with the Swell Pro SPRY Plus. This fearless flying friend is rewriting the rules of waterbound storytelling, one exhilarating flight at a time. Did you find your perfect flying buddy? Let me know in the comments which drone sparked your inner aviator. For more gadget adventures, smash that like button and subscribe. Thanks for watching. See you next time.